Northern Italy is famous for many things: great food, terrific wine, remarkable architecture, and as the epicenter of the supercar.
Here there is no particular, let me say, landscape. There is no sea, there is no big mountain. We are in a historical place, but not so important like Rome or Florence or Venice.
The roots for speed run deep here. Remarkably, Maserati is the oldest surviving marque born in La Terra dei Motori, or Motor Valley, a 30-kilometer area of northern Italy that's home to Maserati, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Pagani, and Ducati.
They knew each other to a degree. They collaborated. One person down the street maybe would work for this engineering firm and then move over here for that one when this work ran out. And there was a lot of sharing of talent, and there's a lot of sharing of inspiration.
In 1914, three Maserati brothers found a small manufacturing company in Bologna.
The Maserati brothers established their company making motorcycles, spark plugs, batteries, all sorts of ancillary automotive products.
World War I interrupts the brothers' plans. Two enlist in the Italian army, while the third stays behind to man the shop. However, after the conflict ends, the brothers turn their attention to cars. And almost immediately go racing.
They then got into producing cars and were competing primarily with Alfa Romeo, quite successfully.
Throughout the 1920s and 30s, Maserati wins famed races like the Targa Florio, the Grand Prix of Tripoli, and Grand Prix of Monza. The marque's success on the track, however, fails to help the business become profitable.
Their problem over the years, they never seem to have quite enough money to finish the job.
In 1937, the Maserati brothers are forced to sell. However, the marque that they leave behind helps usher in an era of sporting high performance in northern Italy.